With 20 years technology accumulation, 80 patent innovations, 100 technical staff's perseverance, and more than 1,000 day and night efforts, China Electronics Technology Instruments Company Limited has launched a powerful signal and spectrum analyzer, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can cover a wide frequency range from 3 Hz to 67 GHz coaxially. The external frequency can be extended to 500 GHz. It has 14 series products. Let us experience the new feeling brought by 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer. Excellent signal reception capability. The innovative fundamental frequency mixing scheme allows 4050 series signal and spectrum analyzer to have a measurement sensitivity of -134 dBm per Hertz, even at a frequency point of 67 GHz. While the ultra-wideband and low-noise amplifier can further boost the optimal sensitivity to -167 dBm per Hertz. With the noise cancellation processing, the noise floor of 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can be extended to -172 dBm per Hertz. This greatly extends the dynamic range of wireless communication ACLR testing. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer has excellent phase noise performance. The phase noise of 10 kHz frequency offset at a carrier frequency of 1 GHz is -129 dBc per Hertz, which not only provides you with a convenient scheme for measurement of frequency source phase noise, but also allows you to observe signals with high spectrum purity more realistically. The original pre-scan patented technology enables 4051 series signal spectrum analyzer to still have reliable frequency and amplitude measurement accuracy, even at a scanning speed of 1 GHz per millisecond. This superior performance helps you find abnormal signals more easily over a wide frequency range. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer also has analysis bandwidth of 40 MHz, 200 MHz, and 500 MHz. An IQ data capture depth of up to 500 MHz sampling points can solve the problems of broadband signal testing, such as pulse signal, amplifier characteristics, and linearization, and 5G communications. Deep spectrum analysis capability. Benefited from the excellent hardware platform performance, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer supports 2 spectrum measurement methods, namely swept, sweep, and FFT. 6 spectrum traces, 7 detectors, 12 markers, and 30,001 sweep points. Multiple marking functions, such as marker count, audio demodulation, band and interval density can help you measure the signal characteristics of interest while observing the spectrum. The 1 key power measurement functions, such as occupied BW, burst power, ACP, and a spectrum emission mask, support the test of the output characteristics of communication transmitters compliant with multiple standards, such as W-Line 802.11a. Such functions as automatic surge, harmonic distortion, and third-order intermodulation greatly simplify the measurement operation flow. The powerful time gate measurement function can handle various complex burst signal measurement problems. Comprehensive pulse signal analysis capability. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can measure 20 parameters, such as ripple and rise time of pulse, pulse width and overshoot, analyze the characteristics of multiple pulse parameters, such as trend and statistics, and measure the modulate characteristic parameters. Through simple settings, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can obtain all parameters of pulse signals. This comprehensive analysis tool helps engineers evaluate system performance with the maximum efficiency without spending a lot of time on operation of the measurement instrument. Accurate modulation characteristics test capability. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can quickly and automatically measure various parameters of analog modulated signals, including carrier parameters, such as carrier power and carrier frequency offset, modulation parameters, such as modulation depth and FM frequency offset, and distortion parameters, such as harmonic distortion and SINET. It can also measure RF spectrum, demodulated audio waveform, and audio spectrum, and detect the performance of analog modern demodulation systems, such as broadcast stations. For the digital modulated signals of a wireless communication system, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can demodulate and analyze more than 20 kinds of digital modulated signals, and give various parameters for evaluating the modulation quality, such as IQ MAC error and IQ phase error, and support a variety of graphical displays, such as constellation, II, QI, trellis-I, and Earth ensembles. Coupled with functions such as equalizer, it can help engineers quickly analyze the performance of communication system and find the source of the fault. Flexible transient signal analysis capability. For the discovery, capture, and analysis of ubiquitous switching transient signals, glitch interface, frequency hopping, and frequency utility signals, the real-time spectrum analysis function of 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can perform 240,000 spectrum measurements per second and display the measurement result in the DPX graphic. It can help engineers quickly find and capture the frequency domain burst signal with duration of only 4.3 US. The spectrogram graphic of 4051 serial signal and spectrum analyzer can display the spectrum in the time domain without any omission, which will greatly speed up and facilitate the fault detection of the transmitter. In addition, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer is specifically optimized and designed for the functional option of transient analysis, which can trigger and capture the signal data of interest in real time and measure the relationship between signal spectrum, power, frequency, and time in a comprehensive and detailed manner. Strong system integration capability. The IQ analysis function of 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer provides efficient IQ data access method and helps engineers easily implement remote control. The detection output function of 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer turns it into a tunable broadband detector for fast obtaining broadband signal envelopes. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer also offers various analog output interfaces, such as variable IF output based on digital reconstruction, AM, FM demodulation output, and IQ demodulation output. The digital reconstruction output mode can adjust the IF bandwidth and compensate the frequency response characteristics of the RF front end. Combined with a configurable trigger output function, 4051 becomes a transformer in system integration. Reliable product quality. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer adopts embedded self-diagnosis and self-recovery technology in the design stage and undergoes 8 rigorous test procedures in the production stage, high-low temperature work test at 0 to 55 Celsius degrees, and the test verification with a mean time between failures of more than 6,000 hours, which ensures excellent product quality. 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer has passed the test and measurement of the National Authoritative Testing Organization, the testing and certification of the Russian National Institute of Scientific Metrology, the EU, CE, and ROS certification. Both its performance and quality are reliable. Featured by excellent receiving performances, powerful analysis functions, and reliable product quality, 4051 series signal and spectrum analyzer can surely help you finish various measurement tasks. For more information on electronic measurement instruments, please visit the official website of China Electronics Technology Instruments Company Limited at www.ceyear.com.